In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. All you need to do is open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and download free app from Flare2 developer. DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, launch it. Then, thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!